Hi there, I was going to type, but it's quicker to record it. So I've opened up PowerPoint. You're absolutely on the right idea, and you can see I'm signed in with my tenant. Then you go to Insert, and you see you've got Power BI there. Once you click on Power BI, it will connect to your Power BI tenant, and you can, if you click in here, you can either, when you go into Power BI, I've got a Power BI report opened over here. So if I click on one of my Power BI reports and workspaces, let's just go to an example. And if we, I don't know, we'll click on COVID. It's an old one. So if we click on COVID, then what you can do when you click on it, you can export it as PowerPoint, and then you can get the report page link. So click copy, then go back to PowerPoint, embed the link into PowerPoint, insert, and it will insert the image. It will insert the Power BI report into your PowerPoint. And you can still interact with it. So you can choose, let's just call it COVID, a title, and it'll put a title in there. And you can still interact with the report as you would do in Power BI, but it's just in PowerPoint. And I use this a lot for different reports that I use, like board reports and things for people where you want to have the consistency of the same report format but the data. So this is PowerPoint, and I've got my Power BI report in there, and it's as simple as going to your Power BI report and just clicking whatever you want. So you can even do it with let's go to this one. So you can even do it with different reports. So it's quite a nice way. Export PowerPoint, copy, and then go back to my PowerPoint, have a new slide, insert Power BI, and you can click here, and you can, oh look, see, how clever is that? This reckon knows that I opened it, so it's suggesting it for me, so I don't have to go back and forth. And obviously when it's in PowerPoint you can change all of this, and quite often what I do is I'll have a text page, so I'll have a comments so that people can have the report details there, and it comes up like that, and then you can have comments, so people can write the comments. And what you can do then is you can refresh it. If you want to restart, you just press restart, and you can reset any changes. And these are always changing. If you want to, you can clear the data, so you can start off with a new Power BI report, and you can do the pasting. There isn't a huge amount of pasting in there, and you can decide whether you want to show or hide the filter pane. So that way I've got two Power BI reports coming into PowerPoint, which will just refresh automatically. But hope that helps. Bye.